In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text vertical in Affinity. I'm going to show you two ways. The first one is very simple and the second one is a bit more complex. However, it's going to be very good in some specific cases. So let me show you both. The first thing you have to do here is you want to go to your text tool and do not select the artistic text tool, select the frame text tool. Then draw in your frame over here and type in your text you want to have vertical. So I'm going to type in text just like this. I'm going to make it bold and I'm also going to make it a bit bigger so we can see a bit better, and I'm going to change the font just for the sake of this tutorial. There we go. So of course it's up to you whatever you do here, just make sure you have some text. When you do that, hover over your text and then just of course select your text box, go to the right hand side of your text box and then drag it in until it's going to start to separate these different letters into different lines. Okay, just like that. If you can see your letters, and if it's like this, just click on this eye icon over here, and then it's going to show you everything. You can drag it out, and then you can basically make this text box a bit bigger, and then you can move this around. Now you already now have some vertical text, and if you want it to be closer, because this looks kind of weird right now, you can also do that. Now I'm going to just mark this, and I'm actually going to position this center like that, and then you want to go to the window tab, hover over text, and then go inside character. It's going to pop up this box, and then this bit over here where it says leading override, you want to basically make this a bit less, just like that, and as you can see, you now have some vertical text over here. Now this is very convenient if you just need some quick vertical text. However, if you need it for more complex operations, I'm going to show you a better way, which is a bit longer. So just stick with me. I'm going to delete this right now, and we're going to use the artistic text tool for this one. So just type in some text again. I'm going to just type in text for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to do Anton, okay? And yeah, you now have your text over here. The first thing you have to do is you want to go to the transform tab down here at the bottom right. You should be able to see it automatically. If not, you could go ahead and enable it inside your windows over here. So it's somewhere in here. I'm not really sure where it is. Oh yeah, it's under general, as you can see, and the bottom it says transform. So make sure it's enabled. You'll be able to see it down here. We're going to use that right now. So click on your artistic text here and then go and where it says rotation here, make sure it's center like that and make rotation as 90 degrees, press enter, and this is what's going to happen. After that, go ahead, right click, and then here it's going to say convert to curves. Click on this and it's going to convert each and every single letter as a separate curve or as a separate letter. Okay, that's exactly what we want right now. Then all you have to do is click on your move tool again, go and select the first letter, go, of course, make sure it's selected, not the entire letter group, but just like the first letter. Select it, go down here to transform, make sure it's enabled to where it's basically in the center, and here rotation, turn it to 0 and press enter. And do the exact same thing for all of these, okay? So just make sure it's 0 and in the middle like that. And then again, I'm going to do it like this as well, 0. And then this one is going to be at 0 as well. And now this is kind of the vertical text. However, we still have to space it. You could do this manually. That's completely up to you. Or you could select everything, go to layer up top, hover over arrange, and then hover over align, and then here you can just go ahead and click on space. Now right now it didn't work because I didn't select these, so I have to actually select the correct things, not the group. So again, we're going to go to layer, arrange, align, and then space vertically, and this is going to space things vertically. Now if it looks weird, you can just go ahead and do it yourself and just basically do it manually. It's not that much of a hassle. You can just do this in a few seconds and space them however you want them to be. So that's how you can get some vertical text for yourself over here inside of Affinity. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.